Click on the link below to get price. The nVidia GeForce RTX 3090 Founders Edition graphics card is a powerhouse that truly redefines gaming and content creation experiences. Boasting a staggering 24GB of GDDR6X memory, this card is engineered for serious gamers and professionals who require top-tier performance. The moment you install the RTX 3090, you're greeted with an eye-popping leap in graphical fidelity, frame rates, and performance across the board. One of the standout features of the RTX 3090 is its ray tracing capabilities. With real-time ray tracing, it delivers lifelike lighting, shadows, and reflections that immerse you in your favorite games like never before. Titles such as Cyberpunk 2077 and Control showcase the card's prowess beautifully, providing graphics that are nothing short of breathtaking. The smooth frame rates, even at ultra settings, make every gaming session feel fluid and responsive. The thermal design of the Founders Edition is impressive, featuring a dual-fan setup that efficiently dissipates heat while maintaining a relatively quiet operation. Under heavy load, the temperatures stay in check, allowing for extended gaming sessions without throttling. This engineering excellence is particularly beneficial for users who push the card to its limits. Moreover, the RTX 3090 excels in content creation tasks. Whether you're rendering 3D graphics or editing 8K video, the ample memory and CUDA cores handle the workload with ease. Programs like Adobe Premiere Pro and Blender benefit tremendously from the power of this GPU, significantly reducing render times and improving workflow efficiency. However, it's important to note that the price tag is steep, making it a considerable investment. While the performance is exceptional, not every gamer or creator may need such power, which raises the question of whether it's worth the cost for casual users. Overall, the nVidia GeForce RTX 3090 Founders Edition is an outstanding graphics card that delivers unmatched performance. It is an excellent choice for those who demand the best, whether in gaming or professional applications, but potential buyers should weigh their actual needs against